this Kanti Gold birthday cake looking ass package was sent by MAC, and it's for their Studio Radiance foundation. For 6250, my meow meow better be gold too. I received 3 of their Studio Radiance Face and Body serum infused foundations along with their serumizer and MAC 170 brush, which thank you. I love these 2 already. Now, by the time I'm editing this, I've already been wearing this pretty much daily, but only until now did I find out that it's waterproof. It's Radiant Sheer, my skin but better. That's natural, and it is. But to be honest, anything is better than me right now. Here's my face without the foundation, side profile, side profile. I have scars, blemishes, acne. Why? No one is asking, but it's literally from the stressful life. I don't get no D, but I get fucked hard daily by life. So let's see if this can be not only my skin but better, but my life but better. Please, let's give this a good shake for its money, then dabbing. Don't drag, bitch, or I will drag you. You do not deserve dragged foundation. You're hotter than that. I'm using shade N18, and it suits the bottom half of my face and my forehead. It's a tad light, but I usually switch foundations for my forehead anyways, and the NC16 worked when I tried that later. And here it is. Boom, side profile, side profile. I love that glow. That is radiant. It gives coverage to my acne as well, but not fully because it's a sheer foundation, but I find it has more coverage than sheer. Beautiful though, and I don't care for covering my acne. I'm a hot ass bitch with hot ass problems. Next, I'm using a little makeup forever to conceal my dread. Fa Mu Long. I'm patting that in to melt into the absolute glow this MAC foundation is giving. And adding some Charlotte Tilbury powder to even out my face, minimize the shine in areas I don't want. I love it. It's long wearing, hydrating. Dermatologist tested, ophthalmologist tested, and yeah, here it is. So what's the verdict?